Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. Today it's 18th of May and the Powerscourt Garden, House and Garden is reopened. Because of COVID, it's different rules and different procedure and sanitizers everywhere, and of course this 2-meter social distance, stuff like that. But finally it's reopened and we can enjoy the gardens, flowers, plants, water, and this absolutely stunning vibe of this place with spectacular view on the Sugarloaf. One more time, I wasn't here from 3 months and I really miss this place. Absolutely beautiful, and I'm glad to see this place looks better than before. Amazing walk in Powerscourt Garden. Flowers everywhere, everything smells so good. Also fresh cut grass because they're cutting grass everywhere right now. So good. Pity I don't have a blue sky and sun. It's cloudy but it's 16 degrees, but it's sunny. And after Powerscourt Garden I'm going to see Powerscourt Waterfall. I want to see these two places today because I miss them a lot. I'm in Powerscourt Waterfall. Nobody's here. I'm only one. Everything's mine. I can enjoy the view for the beautiful waterfall, the tallest waterfall in Ireland. And also I can enjoy the landscape because it's really nice. Here also it's less cloudy and it's warmer because it's Glen, and I think the old wind goes somewhere far from me and I can just, whoa, something fly around me, and I can have a waterfall only for me today.